Alright, so here's the Jeep. I ended up pulling it in the garage anyway. Pretty much just said fuck it. So we got the original coils back in. Let's see how much of a gap there is. You see how less of a gap there is on this. And they're a little longer. And then we went to the junkyard yesterday. Picked up that bad boy there. And then we also picked up a new nut for that bad boy there, the Pitman arm or whatever. And I'm not quite finished, but I did get some tie rods. Or not tie rods, fucking sway bar links. So we're going to get them on there. And then hopefully we'll have her out of here tomorrow, but we've only probably spent maybe hour and a half on her. Yeah. So there'll be an update / part 3 when I get her done. It'll just be a walk around. And then we'll be pulling her out of this garage here soon. Oh, since I got you on video, this is how clean this fucking Jeep is. I mean, she's dirty. Not a drop of rust anywhere. I mean, she is a clean mobile. That's not rust, by the way. Don't get your panties on a bunch now. It's just dirt. So yeah, I'm hoping in a few days here we get her going, but I haven't really spent a lot of time on it. I'm not in a huge hurry. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy and stay tuned for the finaling.